The Berne Heartland Washed Chore Coat is expertly crafted for those who need reliable, durable outerwear for the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This rugged coat provides superior warmth and flexibility, ensuring you're prepared for any task no matter the weather. Constructed from a robust 12-ounce 100% cotton sanded duck shell, this chore coat offers a hard-wearing exterior. The Arctic weight insulation quilted to polyester taffeta lining delivers exceptional warmth, making it perfect for colder climates. The washed fabric finish enhances comfort, while hidden knit storm cuffs and an adjustable drawstring waist with toggles ensures a snug, customizable fit. Designed for active work, the coat features pleated elbows and an action back, enhancing mobility, complemented by snap-closed side vents for additional ease of movement. Durability is reinforced with a brass zipper secured by a hook and loop storm flap, brass rivets at stress points, and triple needle stitched main seams built to withstand rigorous use. Storage is ample and thoughtfully designed, with 3 inside pockets, 2 chest pockets with hook and loop closures, and 2 deep-lined front pockets, providing plenty of space to safely store and access tools and essentials. Sold separately, the chore coat also offers an optional snap-on hood, adding versatility and protection. The Berne Heartland Washed Chore Coat is a quintessential piece for anyone facing tough outdoor tasks, combining warmth, mobility, and rugged durability.